Hi, you are watching Being Mathematician. Today, I'm going to make a video on 4 different problems from 4 different chapters. One from compound interest, one problem from equations, one problem from logarithm, and one problem from exponent. I think the problems are very interesting and I will try to give you full analytical solution of the problem. Stay with the video, don't skip. And so without any further delay, let's get started the video.
To get more interesting videos, subscribe this channel, Being Mathematician, and for notification press bell icon.
The first problem of the video is from compound interest. The problem is, a certain sum of money is invested at the rate of R% PA compound interest, full stop. If the ratio of interest of n minus 1th year and n plus 1th year is 25:36, then find the rate of interest per annum. Let's start the solution of the problem. So the interest earned on n minus 1th year is the amount on n minus 2 years, the amount on n minus 2 years into R by 100, where principal is P and rate is R% PA. So this is the interest of n minus 1 year. Now interest on n plus 1th year is that P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, that is the amount in n years into the R by 100, that is the interest of n plus 1th year is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n into R by 100. So by the problem we can write that P into 1 plus R by 100 n minus 2 into R by 100 is to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n into R by 100 is 25:36. Therefore, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n minus 2 into R by 100 divided by P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n into R by 100 is equal to 25/36. Now R by 100 cancel out and P cancel out, And by the rule of exponent, we can write 1 plus r by 100 n minus 2 minus n equal to 25 by 36. Therefore, n and n cancel out, and we can write 1 by 1 plus r by 100 whole square equal to 25 by 36. Now, square root on both sides, we get 1 by 1 plus r by 100 equal to 5 by 6. Therefore, 1 plus r by 100 equal to 6 by 5. Now r by 100 is equal to 6 by 5 minus 1. So therefore r by 100 equal to 1 by 5. So now r equal to 1 by 5 into 100, and that will be 20% per annum. So our answer is 20% per annum. Our second problem of this video is from the equation in two variables, that is solved for x and y. X plus 1 by y minus 1 by x plus 1 by y whole expression equal to minus 1 by y, and the second equation is y square by x whole to the power 1 by 3 plus x square by y whole to the power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 63 by 8. The solution of the problem is very interesting. So let's begin the solution of the problem. First of all, we take the first equation, that is x plus 1 by y minus 1 by x plus 1 by y, which is equal to minus 1 by y. So now we gradually simplify this LHS. Now y by xy plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by y, and now x plus 1 by xy square plus y minus y whole divided by xy plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by y. Now y and y cancel out, and the expressions will be x plus xy. This will be reciprocal of the fraction, that is xy plus 1 divided by xy square equal to minus 1 by y. And now this will be x square y square plus xy plus 1 whole divided by xy square equal to minus 1 by y. And now cross multiply the expressions, we get x square y square plus xy plus 1 equal to minus xy, where y not equal to 0. And now x square y square plus 2xy plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, xy plus 1 whole square equal to 0. And now xy is equal to minus 1. We keep the result for the next calculation. Now move to the second expressions of the sum. The second expression is cube root of y square divided by cube root of x plus cube root of x square divided by cube root of y is equal to minus 63 by 8. So now we can add the LHS and get cube root of xy is equal to y plus x is minus 63 by 8. And now we apply the previous result, that is xy equal to minus 1. So now putting the value of minus 1 here, and we get x plus y equal to minus 1, that is equal to 63 by 8. And we know that y is equal to minus 1 by x. Now putting the value of y here, that is x plus minus 1 by x equal to 63 by 8. And this will be x square minus 1 into 8 equal to 63x. And now 8x square minus 63x minus 8 equal to 0. And now 8x square minus x into 64 minus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. 8x square minus 64x plus x minus 8 equal to 0. So we common 8x from here, that is x minus 8, and plus 1 from here, minus x minus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 8 into 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x equal to 8 or x equal to minus 1 by 8. And we know that xy equal to minus 1, xy equal to minus 1. So we can write from this result, that is when x equal to 8, then y equal to minus 1 by 8. And when x equal to minus 1 by 8, that is y equal to 8. So the solution of the equation is 8 comma minus 1 by 8 or minus 1 by 8 comma 8. This is the solution of the expressions of the equations. Problem 3 of the video is if from logarithm, the problem is if 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power log 3x square base 3 plus 2 to the power log 9x square base 3 plus dot dot plus 2 to the power log 3 to the power n into x square base 3 is equal to 2 to the power m plus n, and n not equal to 0, where x belongs to natural number that is capital N, then prove that m is always an odd natural number. Let's start the solution of the problem. First of all, we break the LHS part, that is 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus log 3 base 3 plus 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus log 9 base 3 plus 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus log 27 base 3. And now this will be continued, and last term is 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus log 3 to the power n base 3, which is equal to 2 to the power m plus n. Now from the expressions we take common, that is 2 to the power log x square base 3, and we get 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 to the power n, which is equal to 2 to the power m plus n. Now this is a GP. So this is a GP, and we can apply the formula of the summation of a GP. So that will be 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power log x square base 3 into 2 into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 to the power n, and we get 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 2 to the power m plus n minus 2 to the power m. Now we can write 2 to the power log x square base 3 plus log 3 base 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. And from RHS, 2 to the power m is the common term, and now we get 2 to the power n minus 1. So we can cancel out 2 to the power n minus 1 from the both of the sides, and now we get log 3x square base 3 equal to m. So by the definition of the log, we get 3x square equal to 3 to the power m. So now x square equal to 3 to the power m by 3. So therefore x square is equal to 3 to the power m minus 1, and Now x equal to 3 to the power m minus 1 divided by 2. So from the problem we say x belongs to capital N, that means x is a natural number. So m minus 1 by 2 must be a natural number, must be a natural number. Now we know that any number is divisible by 2 is even. So even is always divisible by 2. So that means m minus 1 here divided by 2. So m minus 1 is even, and now m is even plus 1. So we must say that is m is an odd natural number. So it is proved from the given condition that m is an odd natural number. This problem is from the chapter exponent. The problem is solve for x. 3 to the power 1 plus x square whole square root plus square root of 3 to the power x square minus 1 plus 21 into 25 to the power x square minus 1 equal to 25 x square. Let's begin the solution of the problem. Now we can write 3 to the power 1 plus x square whole divided by 2 plus 3 to the power x square minus 1 whole divided by 2, because we know that root 3 is 3 to the power 1 by 2. And now 25 to the power x square, and we move the term 21 into 25 to the power x square minus 1 from left to right, and now we write 21 into 25 to the power x square minus 1. Therefore, let 3 to the power x square by 2 is equal to a, and 25 to the power x square is equal to b. So we can replace the value in the equation. We get 3 to the power 1 by 2 into a plus a into 3 to the power minus 1 by 2, which is equal to b minus 21 into b into 25 to the power minus 1. So now take common a from two expressions. We get root 3 plus 1 by root 3, and common b from the expressions we get 1 minus 21 by 25. So add these two terms, we get root 3 plus 3 plus 1, and adding these two terms we get 25 minus 21, and this will be a into 4 by root 3 is equal to b into 4 by 25. 4 and 4 cancel out, and now we get a by b is equal to root 3 by 25, and now replace the value of a and b in the equation. We get root 3 by 25 whole to the power x square equal to root 3 by 25. And now apply the law of indices. We get x square is equal to 1, and now x equal to the plus minus root over 1. So therefore the value of x is plus minus 1. So the solution of the equation is plus minus 1.